Hello, my name is Jana and I'm a product marketer in SmartSup. And today I would like to show you our new satisfaction feature. Have you ever wondered how your visitors feel about Mira AI Sensors? Well, with our rating section, you'll be able to see how Mira is handling her conversations. At a glance, you'll get a helpful feedback on the quality of the responses and where to improve. So let's jump in and see how it works. Picture this. Customer comes to your website, and in this case, they are searching for gluten-free cakes. Mira AI provides an answer, and once the conversation ends, the customer now has an option to rate the conversation with Mira AI. In this case, I think it went pretty well, so let's give it a positive rating. You can then see the rating together with all the other feedback and the overall Mira AI performance here in the satisfaction section. You can access the page by clicking on the Mira AI here and then choose the satisfaction in the left menu. You can also use the negative insights to improve and train your Mira AI. Simply filter the negative feedback like this and then click on the Show Conversation. Then you can see the whole conversation between Mira and the customer. As you can see, the Mira AI didn't know that the price of the box is also included in the price of the cake. So let's fix that. Click on Correct Answer here, add the question that Mira didn't know, and type the right response. So in this case, the price of the box is included in the price of the cake. Save, and that's it. Next time, the chatbot will know exactly what to say in this situation. So, if you are using Mira AI, check out our new satisfaction feature. It will give you a lot of helpful feedback and enable you to improve your shopping assistant so it can get better with every new interaction. Thank you for watching and see you next time.